Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashionista File and welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to show you rooftop and terrace decoration ideas. Your rooftop terrace is your private space for outdoor living, and if you haven't decorated it, you are missing the most beautiful part of outdoor living. But it is never too late to start. Here are some simple but inspiring terrace design ideas. Open terrace design. If you get beautiful view from your terrace, you can add a coffee table with some chair to sit and soak in the view. Or you can create a beautiful view by adding some tall plant for greenery and wooden screen around a decent seating arrangement to make your private heaven. Rooftop garden. You can't go wrong with plants and bushes if you leave gardening. You can create a lovely garden with herbs and medical plants on your terrace, or you can grow fruit, vegetable, and flowering plants. Also, upgrade the design with outdoor furniture for your rest and relaxation. Vibrant color scheme. Paint the terrace wall with a vibrant color palette and wall art and graph. Add an outdoor sofa or bed with colorful throw pillow. And if you are interested in some more decoration, add some beams and roof over them. Hang some flower pots on the beams and place colorful hangers for rest and relaxation. Suitable outdoor furniture. Create a sitting area that is both comfortable and useful. For example, you can try a sitting area with some side tables to keep your belongings. Or it could be wicker furniture matching the terrace design. Choose furniture that look like a part of rooftop architecture and not something forced upon it. Outdoor lighting. Illuminate the outdoor space with hanging lanterns and accent lighting that also draw attention to your wall art. Give a terrace a romantic atmosphere with tea candles along with fans or the outdoor table. Roof deck. If there is enough space on your rooftop terrace, you can add a wow factor to the design. For example, you can contain a water feature like a fountain or some waterfall. Or you can add a fire element or a DIY koi pond to your terrace design. Create an awning at the doorway and incorporate all the furniture beneath it. The rest of the terrace can be left open to soak in the view. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until then, Khuda Hafiz.